Today at Giant we're going to share with you a bad install. Someone hired a contractor to fix some damage leaked from a refrigerator line. They fixed the subfloor and replaced the flooring, but a few months later this is what they got. As soon as we got there we went right to work. Once the floor was up it was clear to see that the subfloor repair they did wasn't great, and we figured the best way to fix it was going to be to fill it in with some liquid leveler. Prior to the leveler, we wanted to tighten up all the subfloor around the area, screwed everything down as tight as we could get it, sealed any cracks in the area, and then primed it over with an AS120 primer. By the time we got back, it was a little too late to break out the cameras, but everything went well. Now we're nice and smooth, ready to the install tomorrow. Alright, day 2. We got the leveling done. I'll show you what it looks like. Now we're going to move on to getting the floor down. Once the leveling was done, we came back in, finished it off around the edges with a feather finish patch. Let it dry over, gave it a good scrape, got it all nice and flat, and then it was time to go to work with the installation. Once the floor was flat, everything else seemed to come easy. Cali vinyl is very easy to install and user-friendly. We used the Cali specified underlayment. Gave you a nice soft feel but dense enough not to give you any issues along the lines with your installation. Sometimes using a thicker pad not specified can end up giving you too much bounce and lead to the same situation that they've seen here previously with scapping boards and broken chip edges. Now that it's all done, customer's happy, and we're on to the next one. Don't be a victim of contractors who claim to know how to do flooring. Stick with the pros here at Giant Floor to make sure it's a one and done job. Have a great day.